The Tesla phone will destroy the industry with its ecosystem. Elon Musk is known as a disruptive visionary. He has spent the past 2 decades achieving the unthinkable and single-handedly transforming every single industry he lays his eyes upon, or it would be better to say, his mind upon. After taking over the world of electric vehicles and solar panels, Elon Musk's Tesla can be seen ruling over the smartphone industry too. The big billionaire and passionate CEO of Tesla and SpaceX has already made sure that he is truly just getting started. Revolutions can be seen in every area where Elon Musk has laid his eyes upon, or it's better to say his mind upon. Yes, you heard it right. Samsung and Apple are about to welcome their biggest competitor in the market. Excited to know how? Give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Welcome to Genius's Guide. The Tesla brand is mighty. There's no doubt about that. But you'll be surprised to know what Tesla is coming up with this time. Tesla just announced the development of a Tesla smartphone. The concept renders show a gadget called the Tesla Model Pi. This phone has already been declared as a next-generation phone. Just like Elon Musk and Tesla, this phone is mind-blowing. If it was related to anyone else, no one would have believed that such a gadget could come into existence in 2022. But due to being related to Musk, people are convinced that it is real. Feature-wise, there is nothing like the Model Pi on the market. The primary reason for this is because Musk is bringing all the amazing technologies from all of his companies to bear in the Model Pi phone, giving it enough edge over its competitors to dominate. This is just a fraction of the vast ecosystem that Tesla has tapped into to make the most powerful smartphone, which we will get into in a bit. The ecosystem available to the Model Pi phone is enormous and spreads across several companies. It includes Tesla itself with top performance electric vehicles, SpaceX, which Musk uses to produce space-exploring rockets and other out-of-the-world endeavors, and Neuralink, which the billionaire is using to demolish the boundary between the human brain and technology. So let's go through every mind-blowing and crazy concept that Elon Musk intends to use in Tesla phone. Starting with design and appearance. The killer appearance and design of a Tesla Model Pi make it irresistible for smartphone lovers. But do you know where it came from? Tesla's smartphone designer is Antonio De Rosa, an expert who has created exciting concepts for Apple products. The designer will make the phone in honor of Tesla and Starlink SpaceX. Many gadget market researchers note that the Tesla Model Pi looks like an iPhone 12. This has no doubt made people curious, as if Tesla is going after the market leader iPhone or just trying to create an all-different market segment, because believe me, they can. The smartphone has 4 cameras in a square frame. The phone's sides are rounded with a silvery tint. In the video of the presentation, the front camera is not visible on the renders. Experts believe that the front camera will be located under the display. Also, the developers are introducing a solar panel for recharging. The logo of the company and the model's name, the designer decided to mark it on the back panel. Impressive first look, isn't it? Let's come down to its features and ecosystem, which is rumored to have enough power to rule among the biggest market kings. Starlink connection. What if I tell you that you don't need to worry about internet connection anymore? You will get amazing connectivity even if you are on Mars. Unbelievable, right? But not when we are talking about Elon Musk. Starlink is one of the most important pet projects of Elon Musk and perfectly fits into the next generation smartphone. Tesla is closely linked to SpaceX, a private satellite launcher with ambitions to land humans on Mars. Starlink, of course, seeks to build a network of low-orbit satellites to provide easy internet access anywhere, eventually sending more than 40,000 satellites to low Earth orbit. Native Starlink support for the Tesla Pi phone, if it does come out, is a widely expected feature. Neuralink phone. Tesla's smartphone will enable a connection between the phone and the brain. The Model Pi is rumored to have a brain-phone interface from Neuralink. The company, controlled by Musk, is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect humans and computers. Next is solar power charging. You will find Tesla standing ahead in every green energy mission. The phone has a clear and transparent solar panel that is embedded in its back, allowing the smartphone to charge its battery from light using silicon semiconductors. You can now be spared the trouble of carrying your phone charger to whichever place you go. The more you use your phone, the more of the charge it will have. It would be crazy enough to shake up the dynamics of the smartphone markets. Forget wireless charging. This would practically be a phone which would need no charging at all. Next is its car controlling ability. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone will be used in controlling the Tesla cars. The Tesla cars will be connected to the web via the Tesla phone. The Tesla phone will enable you to remotely control your Tesla car for the best experience. Storage. Tesla's smartphone has 2 TB internal storage for you to store all the movies that you will download with the inbuilt Wi-Fi. Phone for Mars. The Tesla Pi phone is rumored to be designed to work on Mars. Not the cafe or theater or chocolate bar, but Mars the planet. It's the era of cryptocurrencies. So let's come down to Mars Coin. With the gadget, you can mine Tesla's digital currency, which is Mars Coin. Everyone wants to make money, and it will be very exciting to make money with Mars Coin. Musk is just developing a new world that is quickly becoming a reality. Security. Nothing is more sensitive when using a smartphone than its security. You cannot afford to compromise on the security of your phone in this era of the internet. And after Tesla's Pi phone launch, I don't think we will ever have to. Tesla Model Pi smartphone comes with the state-of-the-art security features that will guarantee your privacy and security while browsing. The phone has inbuilt encryption, and you will be amazed to know that repairing cracked screens will no longer be on your expense list. Why? Because of Tesla's new exterior and cover. Tesla's smartphone is expected to have an exterior that is made of metallic materials, which will give it a metallic touch. The safety of the phone will be greatly bolstered with such an exterior. And it's no doubt that the Tesla phone is going to be a game changer that would be disruptive enough to push even biggies like Apple and Samsung to rethink their niche offerings. But coming back to reality, the Tesla phone company has not yet released any information about the exact technical features of the gadget, such as processor, screen size, RAM, and battery capacity. Its release date is a closely guarded secret. Tesla has always been ahead of its time, and this futuristic approach of Musk is one of the reasons behind his astonishing success. But the features mentioned above are more ahead of its time, which makes people go doubtful. But using Elon Musk's name and the word doubtful in the same sentence is not a new thing lately, is it? But just imagine what will be the industry condition if this model gets launched anytime soon. All we know is that just as Tesla cars have dominated the automobile industry, the Tesla Smart Model Pi is a smartphone that will revolutionize the cell phone industry. The kings of the smartphone industry, such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung, have enough reason to worry when Elon Musk is the man behind Tesla's cell phone. Tell us about your excitement level and your views on this Tesla Model Pi phone in the comment section below. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update on such amazing content. See you soon in the next video. Till then, peace out.